Materials required: multicolored chart papers, pencil, scissors, adhesive, small 360-degree protractor, big 360-degree protractor, scale, brush, white fabric paint. Begin with rolling the pieces of brown colored chart paper to make 4 cylinders of different sizes. Now, using 360-degree protractor of 2 different sizes, draw 2 circles on the orange chart paper. Use scissors to cut out 2 circles drawn on the orange chart paper. Next, cut out a segment from each of them and roll them into cones just like we do here. Next, use scissors to cut out gun ports on one side of 2 cylinders. Apply some adhesive and paste the orange conical tops on the 2 cylinders. Using scissors, cut slits on the lower end of the 3 cylinders that make the towers of the castle. Apply some adhesive and paste an entrance door to the castle. Now, paint the gun ports and the windows on the towers. Let us give this castle a complete look. For this, insert 3 cylinders through their slits into the largest cylinder. And here it is. Your castle is ready and it definitely looks real.